Today we are spending the entire day at Lake McDonald and the Apgar Village area. I'm stunned with this village. I was not expecting it to be this cute. It is such a cute little mountain town with lots of cafes and huckleberry pastries and gift shops and souvenirs. And we're starting our day off with an activity that has been on the itinerary since I first started planning the trip. Renting a canoe on Lake McDonald. In Apgar Village, you can rent kayaks, double kayaks, single kayaks, canoes, rowboats, motorboats, paddleboards, and more to spend an incredible day on the water. Our canoe rental was about $33 per hour, and you don't have to feel rushed. If you go a little over an hour or however many hours you want to rent the boat for, they don't charge you for a whole extra hour. They kind of charge you incrementally, so don't worry about like if you're a few minutes late that you have to pay another whole $33. Regardless, being out on Lake McDonald is one of the best ways to see the most iconic lake in Glacier National Park. Lake McDonald is known for its crystal clear water. It literally looks like tap water with red and blue rocks beneath the surface that you can see through that still glass-like water. And although the water is cold, it's not too cold to swim in. So we went for a fun dip in Lake McDonald like many others did on the beach and just enjoyed a nice relaxing beach day, especially after yesterday's long hike. We did an 11-mile hike yesterday, so it was really nice to just relax and have a relaxing beach day. After taking a beachside nap, we got a coffee in Apgar Village, looked around the gift shops, and now we're actually going to head out of the park to Polebridge and to the Polebridge Mercantile, where there are huckleberry bear claw pastries that are super famous, although it is 45 minutes away and 45-minute drive back, so we're going to see if they're actually worth it or not. We got the raspberry butterhorn and bear claw.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, try it. That's the raspberry butterhorn. What are your thoughts?
Very good.
Here goes nothing. It's the huckleberry bear claw that they're known for. Drive up if you have extra time in your itinerary. If you're tight on time, you can skip it, but it is really good. So if you have extra couple hours in your itinerary, it is pretty good. What is your professional opinion?
Am I supposed to say nice things? No, tell me the truth. It's really, really good.
Kenny prefers the raspberry. Actually, so do I. The raspberry is really good.
Raspberry one was worth driving up here for. This one, it was good. It's just good.